Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Now I'm going to be fitting some more parts to the Civic Coupe Budget Build Project Civic, if you like. But yeah, I've got a budget grill that I got for the centre, and I just think that the grill on these particular cars just sets it off so well. It's an EK9 style grill. I got it off of Wish, so it's another Wish car part, if you like, that's going on to the budget build. But yeah, I just think with the Civics as well that have this bottom lip, very much like an EK9. If you get the EK9 centre grille, an import size plate and the black headlights, it just sets them off so well. So that's the plan, if you like. I do want a bigger chunkier front bumper or a bigger chunkier, bottom lip, but time will tell. So I'm going to be getting this off. I'm going to see if I've drilled through the bumper to mount the plate. If they haven't, then I'm going to be looking to get a smaller import size plate in the near future. The Fast and Furious Eclipse France, or the French Fast and Furious Eclipse, I can't remember how it's worded now. I'll put his Instagram below, but he's supposed to be hooking me up with some black headlights, so shout out to him for that. I'm looking forward to him coming back to me on the postage costs. But yeah, the grill is on for today, so that's what I'm going to be doing. We're doing the EK9 style centre grill. It's a piece as well from Wish. I think it costs £22. We've got a few rattle tins in the Vogue Silver as well from Halfords, and yeah, see if I can make it look half decent on the budget Civic. Catch you in a bit. So I've just made a start on the Civic, as you probably saw, and realised that there's actually multiple different plugs on the top, along the top here, but then when you look inside, there's a screw there, which wouldn't be a problem, it's flexible enough to get to that, and then along the bottom of the grill there are multiple screws as well. There's 4 along the bottom, so it is going to be a bumper off job by the look of it, which is a shame. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the grill out. I've got some paints and stuff. I've just kept this is a box for all my bits of rubbish really. It's the box from the air intake. Is that pretty? So that's the idea. I'm going to get that out, get it prepped for paint, all masked off with some masking paper, get it primed, get it sprayed with colour, probably give it a quick coat of lacquer as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and mask off like the mesh part of the grill. But I'll show you it right quick. The mesh part of the grill is flat. I believe it's supposed to be like, curved on the EK9 grill. But yeah, I'm going to mask off the top section here that goes to the connectors, if you like, and just mask off this black mesh section here. And that'll probably be it. The rest of it, if any overspray gets onto it, probably won't be a big deal. It's just that top bit that I want to try and keep nice and black, and then silver just around the lip and black on the grill. So that's the plan. So I've got as much of it taped up as I possibly can. I've gone right to the corners. You can't really see it on camera, but you get the idea, and I've tried to make that line perfect as possible as well, just thinking if I can get it right in the prep sort of stage, put the primer on, it'll be good. Now I don't have anything to go over it with in relation to like a 1200 grit or something along those lines, so I'm just going to see how it goes. I'm going to try and just throw the paint straight onto the plastic, which is very cringy, and I know I shouldn't do that, but I don't physically have anything. I just want to get it done. It's got a good texture to it. It's not perfectly smooth, as you can see on camera, so it should have enough to bite to. Time will tell. What is it with dogs in my videos? So I've gone right ahead with the paint straight after the lacquer, just purely because of how quickly it dried. It just dried so quick, it was ridiculous. Obviously because of the heat. Don't mind someone with their hedge trimmers in the background. But yeah, I've tried to get around to there and it seems to have coated it really evenly. I must have gone over it about 3 times though. So I'm going to go over it now with a clear, get a bit of depth to the paint. I've just peeled the front bumper off forwards, obviously masked it up on the edges so I don't scratch anything. But yeah, it's just 1 10mm up on each corner, all the little push plugs as you saw before in the intake video. And then what I've done is on the inside, I've literally put the screwdriver like down inside the bumper, so as if it was being used upwards like that. I've got a little spider that's on me, 1 minute. But yeah, I put the screwdriver down into the bumper and basically put both hands inside to screw the little grill screws out, and then obviously leaned into these little ones here that you can see. Camera's obviously not picking that up, but you get the idea. There's one either side of the grill and then 4 along the bottom, and they are just there. So I thought I'd make a start with this while that's drying as we speak. I got a couple of coats of lacquer on it. I might just give it a once more go over. Might just give it one more go over. Might just give it once more. Anyway, 1 more screw on here and they should pop off. I've also answered my question as to whether or not they went through the bumper to get the reg plate on. They did, so it's just outside of where the JDM plate would go, which is a shame. Yeah, grill's off. I'm quite tempted to have a look at what it would look like without the grill on. Looks like something you'd see on a Subaru. Just a couple of hella horns. I actually do have horns as well to put on this. I need to dig them out. Looks like it'd be pretty easy. So the horns there, especially now that I've got the complex grill off. This one I think will just go into the sides and then along the top. Shouldn't need any more than that, I don't think. Let's keep that one on. But yeah, I'm going to probably give that another lacquer, wait for it to dry, and I'll catch you guys in a bit. Hi everyone, it's quite a while into the evening now, but I'm quite chuffed actually with the result, how it's come out. It looks quite well, to be fair. You can see it's so close to being bang on, and as it sits on the car, like I'm going really close there to pick up the edge, not being perfect, but when it sits in the car, it's gonna look pretty nice. So yeah, this part's from Wish, which will cost 20 quid, something like that, 22, 23 quid posted to my house. Paints obviously cost probably about another 15 quid. Will look good. I'm gonna crack on now and see if we can get this on before it starts raining, because it's well into the day. Life happened. And them clouds don't look too good either, so. So one thing really annoying about this grill is it won't line up with these holes at the top, and that's not because the grill itself doesn't fit, it's because of these little dowels behind. Let me see if I can just get them in shot. So you can see there, these little dowels they were hitting this metal landing panel, if you like, and it doesn't, unlike the other one, it doesn't screw onto the bumper, it just slots underneath that little lip with these little tabs here. But yeah, so I've just been snapping these off, these little like screw plugs. There's nowhere to screw them to. Just pop that there. There's nowhere to screw to, do you know what I mean? So I've just been taking them off, just snapping them off. But yeah, I need to try and just push this section of the bumper up a little bit to get the tabs underneath, and then push on the top. Hopefully it'll line up now. And there we go. Looking pretty good overall. So it's not the best fitment. You can see there that it sticks out quite a little bit, and the tabs that hold it in underneath do feel as though that they're quite stretched or may pop out of place. Overall, it's not too bad. I'm quite happy with how clean the line looks across there, you know, between the colour coded section and the black. Similarly, down here in the grille, I think I got the line quite well. Yeah, looks good. I'll drop the bonnet, have a quick look. It does look a lot better. It just seems to stick out just a fraction too much. You can see there, just along the bonnet edge. It's fine in the centre. I mean, it runs quite well with the centre, but it's just on these edges here. Just a bit of a shame, but apart from that, you can't really knock it for 20 odd quid. Not bad. So that's it, there you go, all done and dusted. Looks well for 20 quid. That's another addition, if you like, to the Civic Coupe Budget Build. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.